Greetings, everyone. If you are like me and you like to browse your Instagram without distractions like this random reels that you don't even want to watch and are stealing your time that you could spend more productive and watching content that you only want, don't worry, I will now show you the easiest method on how to disable Instagram Reels. Firstly, you need to open new tab and to the top search bar, write asem.instagram.com/variant equals following. Voila! Now you can scroll down to your heart's content without any reels or distractions. It's just the content you want to see. Isn't that amazing? I find it incredibly useful to have a clutter-free Instagram experience. No more wasting time on things that don't interest you, just pure, personalized content. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy browsing Instagram without any distractions. Trust me, once you start using this method, you won't want to go back. Thanks for watching, hope you do well, and see you next time. Bye.